Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Miracles on the occasion of migration. On the night of Hijrah, when Allah's Messenger ﷺ came out of the house, there was a handful of dust throw, which fell on the heads of all of them. The Holy Prophet ﷺ was reciting Chapter 36 Yasin and passed in front of pagans and no one could see him. Narrated by Anas that Abu Bakr Siddiq said to me, when we were in the cave of Thor, the polytheists reached the brink. Then I said to the Holy Prophet ﷺ that if these people looked at the feet, we will be noticed. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said, do not grieve by whom the third is, Allah with two. Saraka ibn Jasham saw that Holy Prophet ﷺ and the horse galloped closer, but the horse stumbled and fell. Repeated experience discouraged him and convinced him that there were spiritual signs. Narrated by Abu Naim that Mabad used to say that goat whose milk was milked by Allah's Messenger ﷺ remained with her until the age of Faruqi. And goat was always given in large quantities in the morning and in the evening in every situation. She continued to give milk. Narrated by Mother of Believers Aisha Siddiqa, when Holy Prophet ﷺ came to Medina, this land was plagued with more epidemics and disease than all the other lands. The Holy Prophet ﷺ prayed for it, that, O Allah, make Medina as beloved to us as Makkah is rather. O Allah, even more than that, bless our sea and mud, and make this land healthy and transfer these epidemics here to Jaffa. After this prayer, Medina became free from plagues. Narrated by Dawood ibn Qais that Allah's Messenger ﷺ was laying the foundation of the Prophet's mosque at that time. Gabriel was showing the direction of the Kaaba. He lifted all the veils between the mosque and Kaaba. Had gone. Characteristics of Kubri, turning water into milk. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ.